the home screen of the AI application, a very powerful AI application as well. Down here you can pretty much go ahead and ask the AI anything. As you can see here, pretty much can ask the AI anything, and you can as well tap on the circle icon here to change the response. You can give it a like, can copy the info, and you can tap on these three dots here to edit any text or select the message and to copy. So that's really pretty much it for that. There you have the pin icon here where you can upload images, documents, or anything like that to the AI. Let's say you want to scan documents, files, or you want to upload a photo of something, the AI analyze it, whichever one you choose. And you also have the option here where it says the think option. You have different categories, or not categories I should say, but different features as it relates to the research option and the think. So these give you a better response as it relates to what you're looking for. You're researching something, you want a better answer, pretty much use these features. But you only can use 5 times out of a month, any one of these. So you won't be able to use them forever, only for 5 times if you don't have a subscription. So all you have to do, let's say you want the think option, you can tap on the think option here and you're pretty much good to go, and only 5 times. And yeah. And also you can tap on this here to send a voice note if you don't want to type. So over here you can just swipe across and always see the chat history. Here you can see pretty much all the chat history that you have with the AI application here. And as well, you can tap on the new chat option to create a new chat. Very, very simple. And as well, if I do tap on the chat that I've selected here, you can also delete it, give it a different name, or even start if I do like that chat. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And to get your subscription for this application here, one thing I forgot to mention is the incognito mode, which pretty much doesn't save anything that you ask the AI. So you just tap on the mask icon here with the glasses, and any chat that you ask the AI won't be saved in the chat section or anything like that. So once you turn off this feature here, everything will be gone. Similar to the browser feature where everything will be gone. So you can just tap on and turn off and you're back to normal. So to get your subscription, you have to tap on the login option here once you have logged in. So do make sure you log in. Once you have logged in, you can tap on this down here and you'll be able to see their upgrade section. So as you can see, I'm currently on a free plan. If I tap on upgrade now, I'll be able to purchase their subscription. And you can see here pretty much what to be getting, and their yearly subscription and their monthly subscription. They don't offer any free trial, so do keep that in mind. And you have some different features as well. You can enable dark mode. You can see tap on this option here. You can enable dark mode and light mode, pretty much default mode as you can see there. But also you can enable the memories. So anything that you have asked the AI, even if it's in a different chat, it will be stored in the AI memory, which is very good if you're going to use this AI for a long-term use. But if you're just testing it out, you don't have to enable that feature. But that's really pretty much it for this AI application. And if you want to get the Pro subscription as well, you can just tap on Get Pro and you pretty much see their subscription page. So very easy application to use. And if I miss anything at all, please comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.